Good evening, everyone. My name is Tyler from Tyler Trains. Welcome back to a brand new video, but not only is this video brand new, it's part of a returning classic, Top 5 video. On my last video, I did Top 5 Facts of the Tom Thumb. You can find that video in the description. But now, I'm going to be doing one called Top 5 Facts about the BNSF Railway. Number 5. The BNSF Railway is one of the largest railways in North America, traveling over 32,500 miles between 28 states and 3 Canadian provinces. What does BNSF stand for, you might ask? Fact number 4. What does it stand for? It stands for Burlington Northern Santa Fe, and Burlington Northern and Santa Fe were both two separate railways. Then they joined together sometime to form the BNSF. When did it start, you might be asking? Number 3. When did BNSF start? It started on September 22nd, 1995. How many employees and how many engines does BNSF have? It has 8,000 locomotives and 42,000 employees. So you're wondering, where is the headquarters? BNSF's headquarters is located in the town and city of Fort Worth, Texas. So, the locomotive colors are orange with black letters that say BNSF. Sometimes the letters are yellow and not black. And I guess that is pretty much all for our top 5 video. However, before we stop the video, we are going to have a slideshow at the end of BNSF locomotives. But this is all the top 5 video, and so we're going to be turning over to the slideshow. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the slideshow, and see you next time.